yung naging mild debate yung tungkol sa resolutions. Pero the vision of the Sangguniang Palalawigan, SP, is very good that they want to protect our dearest governor from issuing erroneous permits. But for the people to know that the province of Ilocos Norte has been very strict in issuing such permits, lalong-lalo na we have a very active provincial quarry office, meron tayong functional na provincial mining board. Kaya we're so blessed na maganda yung implementation ng mga quarry ordinances at issuance ng permits sa ating province. At saka our Sangguniang Palalawigan is looking into the betterment itong bago nating 2025 na quarry ordinance. Ang nag-ialo lang namin kanina yung either gagawing at present kasi 2 out of 3 resolutions tayo, di ba? It's either barangay, municipal on. Now they want to make the Sangguniang Palalawigan resolution be mandatory. So the part of the association, being the president, I cannot speak for the whole. So we need to have a General Assembly again and talk about this. Although yung vision niya napakaganda. But we just want to see that it is a matter that we expedite or pwede natin pabilisin yung pag-approve ng ating mga permits who meet the mandatory requirements as mandated by law.